what up beauties? Your girl Timepiece back with another beauty tutorial with RastAfri, and it's featuring their Rain Curl crochet and braiding hair. So the color that I'm going to wear is BG. This is what the packaging looks like, so you know what to look for when you hit up your local beauty supply store. Here's the back. Tells you directions, different styles that you can rock. Rain Curl by RastAfri. So let's go ahead and take the hair outside of the package. I want to show you the texture and the curl pattern of RastAfri's Rain Curl. Expect spring coils. Of course, you can use this to crochet and braid, and it's designed with 100% Uno fiber, ACRA H2O. So basically, water glides right off of the hair, so it's super fast drying, perfect for washing, swimming, hitting those vacations, workouts, and more. Alleviating bacteria with antibacterial agents, RastAfri's H2O Rain Curl is light in weight, bouncy, soft, and resilient in fiber, creating incredible crochet styles, goddess braids, hybrid braid styles, and more. And BG is the color that I'm wearing today. So each package comes with one bundle, so I recommend for a full style, use about 8 to 9 packs. In this tutorial, I use a total of 8 packs. So again, you get one bundle. I suggest you get between 8 to 9 or 8 to 10 packs for a nice full style. So go ahead and grab your crochet needle. Again, going into your braid base, you want to go with the needle open, loop the hair, then close and pull it through. All right, so let's go ahead and start crocheting the hair in. So just to let you know a little bit of how I did my braid base, I did straight backs all the way back, and then I did a perimeter minimal leave out, because what I'm gonna do is crochet RastAfri's Rain Curl into my hair, and I'm gonna color, yes, I'm gonna color the minimal leave out to match my RastAfri Rain Curl so it looks even more natural. So the hair wouldn't get in my way. I went ahead and braided the minimal leave out along my perimeter so I can focus on crocheting the RastAfri Rain Curl into my braid base. So again, beauties, you want to take a few strands of the RastAfri Rain Curl, go into your braid base with your crochet needle open, then loop the hair into the open needle, close the needle, and then pull the hair through your braid base, loop the RastAfri Rain Curl, and there you go. So let's repeat these steps until we are all done crocheting the RastAfri Rain Curl into our braid base. Hey beauties, just checking in how we're doing. All right, good. Just make sure you bring that crochet needle open into your braid base to loop the hair onto the needle, then close and pull the hair through your braid base and complete the loop and continue to crochet until we're all done. I personally love the crochet method. I like to do anything that doesn't require that much maintenance. I am a beauty on the go. I am busy. I like to knock out my workouts, and sometimes I just don't have time in between to do my hair. So this is just a great way, A, to look cute, and then also to protect my hair as well. But again, you could do so many different hairstyles. Of course, a crochet method, which is what I'm doing. You can do up styles, you can do individuals, you can do goddess braids, and much more. All right, beauty, so we are all done crocheting the RastAfri Rain Curl into our main braid base. So earlier I mentioned that I left the minimal leave out along my perimeter. So we're gonna go ahead and take this braid down, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna color the minimal leave out to match my RastAfri Rain Curl, which is color BG. And to help me with that, I'm using RS Curls Unleashed in the color Sangria. It's their safe hair color Beeswax, and they have so many other colors, but this is a color that matches close to my RastAfri Rain Curl in color BG. I'm also going to use curl rods to help match my hair to the curl pattern of the RastAfri Rain Curl. And here's a quick look inside of the RS Curls Unleashed color Beeswax that I'm going to use onto my hair. Again, the color is Sangria, super safe and washes right off. So go ahead first and apply some of the color to your hair, and apply as much needed until you get the color desired to match your RastAfri Rain Curl. All right, so I think I have enough. So now go ahead and grab a curl rod so we can match the curl pattern of the RastAfri Rain Curl. Go ahead and repeat these steps with the curl rods. And now that we're done curling our perimeter and coloring, we're gonna wait a few minutes and let it dry. Now it's time to go ahead and remove the curl rods. Nice, looking good. So once we are done removing all the curl rods, we want to go ahead and tease the hair a little bit. What that's going to do is give the illusion as the hair is coming straight out of our scalp and also match the hair that we just colored and curled. And beauties, we are all done with our install of RastAfri's Rain Curl. Again, I am using color BG, and to match my hair with the RastAfri Rain Curl, I use RRS Curls Unleashed Hair Color Beeswax in the color Sangria. So if you are looking to do a full hairstyle, I mean, go big or go home, I recommend using 8 packs to 10 packs. I use in this tutorial a total of 8 packs. RastAfri Rain Curl H2O technology, available now at your local beauty supply store. And before we go, beauties, I just want to give you a quick reminder. Be sure to follow RastAfri at RastAfri Braid on Instagram and social media, and her sister brand, Fashion Source Wigs, at FS_wigs. Of course, follow me at DJ Piece and click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. And please, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and be sure to let me know what you want to see next and what you liked about the video by commenting below. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss future drops. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.